Hey everyone, welcome here. You are watching harisystems to learning generative AI to mastering C++ programming language. So today I would like to share you how to learn master skills in C++ using generative AI techniques and generative AI tools. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is a artificial intelligence concept. Using this concept, the tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Google Bard AI and many more artificial intelligence tools are available nowadays in the market. So learning C++ fundamentals, making what is C++, and how to start learning using local development environment with the help of initiating of programming language in your local development area. So generative AI making creating a stunning content, more accurately how you are going to be asking a query. Based on this query you will get such an information. And also you may refine the query and ask this type of AI tools to get an information. For learning C++, all you need to make a local development environment using Visual Studio Code or any other which is a favorite code editor in your local machine. Our online compilers are also nowadays available, most probably. At the same way, beginning from variables, who don't know about the coding, who want to start and make a master in C++ skills. Yes, start from the scratch to expert level, making a variable declarations, how to define the variables, and taking a step-by-step process in next step to what are the data types and control flow statements. If else, how a flow is going to be initiating step-by-step process. And at the same way, switch cases, what are the libraries you are going to be using. Most of the built-in predefined libraries are available in C++ also. How to use these libraries if you know using generative AI techniques. Yes, definitely you will learn wonders. I assure that step-by-step process makes you in a practical way you have to apply. When you are applying practical way, when you are seeing and refining your previous tracking, what you have learned so far, and are making a real world concept, be true, be open, how you are going to be applying your skills. Definitely, you become a successful master in C++ skills in very less time. At the same time, Harisystem is also offering online courses in C++. If you are very much interested, a step-by-step process to learning in C++ skills master way. Yes, find the below link for online course. Very less time. Learn the instructor based, how the mentor will help you by step-by-step process. The same way you will be learn these online courses. Try today. Great opportunities in front of you.